Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into something we all do, but probably don't fully understand: sleep. It might seem like we're just shutting down for a few hours, but the science behind sleep is absolutely mind-blowing. We spend a third of our lives doing it. So what's really going on when we close our eyes? Sleep isn't just a state of unconsciousness. It's a state that lies between consciousness and unconsciousness. Your body is resting, sure, but your brain is incredibly active. It's like a whole biological factory working overtime while you're catching some ZZZs. So why is all this activity so important? Well, sleep is absolutely a need for our survival. Scientists are constantly uncovering new things, but we already know that sleep helps with diverting energy, conserving resources so the body can re-energize, cleaning toxins, flushing out harmful waste products that build up during the day, memory and learning, restoring new information and skills, boosting immunity, keeping your immune system strong and ready to fight off illness, balancing emotions, giving your brain's emotional center a chance to rest and reset, repairing and restoring, fixing cell damage, and getting you ready for the next day. The bottom line is, when we sleep well, our mental, cognitive, and physical health dramatically improve. While some mysteries remain, science is showing us that good sleep could hold the keys to health and happiness. So, next time you're struggling to fall asleep, remember all this. It's possible to let go of worrying about it, get into bed, and just drift off. Your brain and body know what to do. Let's take a closer look at what specifically happens when we sleep. Mood. Good sleep gives your brain's emotional center a chance to rest, leaving you feeling positive and upbeat. Detoxification and rest. The brain signals muscles to relax and kicks off waste clearance processes to remove harmful proteins that have built up during the day. Memory and learning. As we sleep, the brain processes our experiences from the day, deciding what to store and what to discard. Heart and blood pressure. Blood pressure drops overnight, decreasing the strain on your heart and blood vessels. Appetite. Sleep regulates hormones that control hunger and fullness signals, helping you manage your weight. Immunity. We produce defenses like T cells to fight infections and viruses, and proteins to fight inflammation. Growth. Human growth hormone is released, repairing cell damage and strengthening bones and muscles. Cell repair and skin. Antioxidants are released, which help to repair cells and skin damage and reduce inflammation. Okay, so you know sleep is important, but how much do you actually need? It's not one size fits all. Newborns, 14 to 17 hours. Infants, 12 to 15 hours. Toddlers, 11 to 14 hours. Preschoolers, 10 to 13 hours. School-age children, 9 to 11 hours. Teenagers, 8 to 10 hours. Young adults, 7 to 9 hours. Adults, 7 to 9 hours. Older adults, 7 to 8 hours. Remember, these are just guidelines. Other factors like your health, medications, and lifestyle can affect your sleep needs. If you're constantly sleepy or reaching for caffeine in the afternoon, you probably need more sleep. Also, quantity is only half the story, such as external factors such as work, family life, and your lifestyle can also affect how well you sleep, so you may not feel fully rested and refreshed even when you do get. Our bodies follow a natural rhythm of sleeping and waking, regulated by two main processes. Circadian rhythm. Process see this as your body's internal clock, influenced by light and darkness and the release of hormones like melatonin. Homeostatic sleep pressure. Process estes is the buildup of the urge to sleep throughout the day. The longer you're awake, the stronger it gets. Adenosine is broken down during sleep, so sleep pressure decreases. The sleep or wake cycle is known as a flip-flop switch, a system that controls the brain's circuitry via two nerve cell groups. One group wakes us and other sends us to sleep, but IB Grio can be active at any given. The flicking of this switch is controlled by the neurotransmitter orexin. If the sleep switch is damaged, for example by a brain injury, or if levels of orexin are too low, such as in those with narcolepsy, the ability to move between sleep and wakefulness can become unstable, leading to a range of sleep disorders. Now, let's delve into the stages of sleep. Sleep is not a static state. Quite the opposite. Once asleep, the body begins the processes of rest and repair, passing through several distinct stages to do so. It does this in cycles in which it repeats these stages around 4 or 5 times each night. The stages are rapid eye movement. Light sleep stage 1 and 2. Deep sleep. Each sleep stage performs a different function, so it is important we experience enough of each to ensure that the processes they perform are completed. When this doesn't happen, we are left feeling lethargic and sleepy, known as sleep inertia. During the first half of the night, you will pass through all of the sleep stages with light sleep and deep sleep accounting for the majority of your first 2 cycles. During the second half of the night, you might enter stage 3 sleep, and instead sleep is mainly comprised of lighter sleep along with REM sleep. Aiming for perfect sleep every night is an unrealistic goal. We all have the odd bad night. When it comes to assessing whether the sleep you get is good, it is just as much about quality as quantity. You often wake feeling tired and sluggish. It could be a sign of insomnia, but don't panic. Each of you will experience a bad night. Remember, we know how to sleep. However, if you have the following, you should seek professional advice. Louding, snoring, or gasping for air in your sleep. Repeated interruptions during the night that lead to excessive tiredness during the day, or bouts of sleeplessness lasting more than 4 weeks will all require professional advice. Sleep clinicians assess the quality of a patient's sleep by applying various criteria. These can be broken down into the following 4 categories. Sleep latency, time spent in different sleep phases, total sleep, and sleep efficiency. So how can we improve our sleep? Sleep specialists talk about the importance of sleep hygiene. Here are some key tips. Prioritize sleep. Make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Keep a routine. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Take care of caffeine. Avoid it in the afternoon and evening. Get enough natural light, especially in the morning. Avoid nicotine and alcohol. They can disrupt your sleep cycle. Comfort is key. Make sure your mattress, pillows, and bedding are comfortable. Be active. Regular exercise can improve sleep, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime. Take daytime naps. Keep them short, 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid napping too late in the day. Relax. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. Create a safe haven. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Cut the noise. Use earplugs, a white noise machine, or a fan to block out distracting sounds. Screen time can negatively impact sleep in teens because using digital devices in the evening, when natural sleepiness should kick in, means the urge to sleep is overridden by the excitement of what is happening on screen. And this stimulation seems to be a factor in making teens more wakeful. Parents, help your teens get better sleep. Encourage them to get enough natural light and exercise during the day. Both will improve sleep. Also, try being open to hearing about their worries. This way, you can help them to manage these and accept that a calm, consistent evening routine is a more effective antidote to FOMO, taking the smartphone to bed. So there you have it. Sleep is so much more than just shutting down. It's a vital process that keeps us healthy, happy, and functioning at our best. Make sleep a priority, and your body and mind will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more science-wide goodness, and let me know in the comments what are your favorite sleep tips. Sweet dreams.